Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2005 Suzuki GSX-R750. This is a one-owner bike, only 19,000 miles, perfect condition, never been crashed. It's got a lot of carbon fiber parts. Very nice condition. We're putting a new front tire on it, adjustable levers, smoke windscreen, frame sliders, awesome sounding Yoshi pipe, fender eliminator, rear seat cowl. It's got frame mounted flush mount turn signals. This bike is in really beautiful shape. It's got the spools for track stand. Don't let this one get away. Price to sell, $53.99. Come by, check us out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.